Let's sell BFI.
Yeah, sell BFI.
Sell.
Financial literacy can be a lot of fun, but it's also something these DPS students will use for the rest of their lives.
The minute that they leave high school, a lot of them are responsible for their own money, their own lives, their own financial budget. And many of us, like I didn't have this growing up.
At the DPS FinLit conference, students had a chance to practice adulting.
We got assigned a job and got assigned a credit score and a monthly income.
And Credit Union has a Adventures of Reality simulation where they get to have a Colorado salary and go experience like housing and how to budget.
I ended up saving $902 a month.
I went $130 in debt. I think I definitely could have budgeted more on housing. I think I probably also could have spent less on entertainment and hobbies.
From learning the truth about budgeting
All right.
to fast-paced investing. The Junior Achievement Stock Market Challenge brought Wall Street to DPS.
We've got to teach them all about the stock market, what it means, how to invest, and then they get to come here with $500,000 and actually put all the things they learned into practice.
If I were to start investing, then I would probably start off slow. I don't think it would be something I would do as a main job.
The ultimate goal, though, is to teach these students about long-term investments and planning for their futures.
Housing is one of the places that's going to check your credit scores.
Saving, being smart with my money, just overall just taking care of my money myself.
Why is that important?
I'd say that's important so I can set myself up for the future and set myself up for success.
What's one really good piece of advice you could pass on to our DPS students?
Make a fund and set it aside and don't even look at it. And I heard a lot of folks talking about that today and investing early and the power of compound interest, which I think is just incredible advice.